Hi guys, so the first step to this Alexia Wheaton look is obviously skincare. So I'm taking my everyday AC skin mask right here. I use skin masks about once a week like this. It's really good for your complexion and I like to have a glowing look to my skin. Who doesn't? And I felt like Alexia Wheaton, who's played by Catherine Heigl, I don't know why I couldn't remember her name, really probably goes all out with her skin. So that's why I'm using all these products right here, like this foaming stuff and everything. All of these skincare products are Korean beauty products from YesStyle, so I will have that linked below. What I also like to do every morning is take an ice stick like this. I got this ice, I don't know what you would call it, but this ice stick chip, I got this from Amazon, so it was a really good deal. It was like $5. So I just picked that up. And then I'm also taking some of this green tea serum cream. And I love the way it smells. It smells so good. It gives a really nice glow to your complexion. And this is also a Korean skincare line from YesStyle as well. And I'm just going to rub that all over my face, of course, and then on my hands because, guys, people don't put enough emphasis on trying to keep your hands and arms and everything else like youthful looking as well. I'm also going to take this serum oil that I'm just going to just dab a little bit on. I don't like to add too much oil on my face because, as you can tell, it makes you really, really shiny, and I don't like that look, especially when we're doing a 90s look like this. We need to keep it more on the matte side for the skin, so that's why I'm taking the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Guys, this is my favorite foundation ever. I just love this foundation. It always makes me look flawless, and whenever I want to have a really done up look, I'm always going to use this foundation. I won't ever try anything else because this one never fails me and I don't look like an oily mess at the end of the day. Like, I can still get greasy, but it's definitely minimal and it really makes you look flawless. I swear by this foundation, and it's drugstore. It's even better than the Fenty Beauty foundation. Yeah, so then I'm just going to pat it in with my brush afterwards and then just try to lock that foundation in place. So right when I'm done, I'm going to take this concealer right here. We don't want to have any dark circles. I love this movie. I don't know how many of you guys remember this movie, but either you remember it, you haven't seen it, or you know everything about it. So I'm definitely the person that knows everything about it. I've seen this movie a billion times. I remember watching it when I was little, and I used to wish that I was Katherine Heigl in this movie. Like, I wanted to be her so bad. I'm like, how come I haven't recreated this look? I have no idea why. But anyways, I am going to be setting everything in place with my Laura Mercier powder, my favorite powder ever. It has lasted me for a really long time. Then I'm going to take a white shimmering eyeshadow to create that frosty eyelid look. Now, this look got super popular in the mid-90s to early 2000s. I think it died out at about 2005, maybe, the frosty lids. Maybe earlier. It might have died out in 2003. So I don't know why people stopped doing frosty lids. It's like the cutest thing ever. I personally love it. Then I'm taking this purple lilac shimmering shadow. It's kind of like the same color except with a purple under hue, and that is definitely what she had in her eyelids. They do zoom in her eyes ever so slightly, but it's very hard to tell, so I'm kind of just going along and making something up. Then I'm taking like a purple eyeshadow and lining my lower lash line and top lash line. In the clip where she does zoom into her eyes, which I paused 100 times, you can see that her makeup is kind of like this, but the only reason I'm saying I'm making it up as I go is because it goes so fast, you kind of have to just create something. But based off of the makeup in the movie, I can tell from screenshotting a billion times that this is what she did. So then I'm taking this mascara. This is also from YesStyle. It's a good mascara. I really love it. It really makes my eyelashes long and full without having to wear falsies. Don't wear falsies, guys. She is in high school, so she did keep the makeup look very simple. Then I'm taking a bright pink blush, like one of those pale pink blushes that is almost frosty looking. I really want to find more of a frosty blush just so I could be more 90s, but this blush will do. Then I'm taking Naked by Urban Decay. She just had a very frosty lipstick. I don't know what lipstick she was using, but I want it because it has like that holographic hue. I'm taking this lipstick by Revlon. I felt like it's called Cupcake, and it's like the closest it is to her lipstick. And then I'm using this Aladdin lip gloss from Revolution Cosmetics, and it has blue speckles in it. And now for the hair. Her hair is flipped up. Go ahead and put some hoops on. She was wearing silver hoops. All I have are gold hoops, so yeah. And I'm just flipping my hair upwards. I did get a haircut. I layered it and cut off an inch, so my hair is a bit shorter these days, but it's definitely not as short as Alexia Wheaton's hair, so you guys have to just keep in mind that this isn't going to be canon, but I did the best that I could. So you just flip your hair up like this. This hairstyle got super popular in the mid-90s and lasted all the way up until like the Alice Cullen era. I absolutely love this look. I still love to wear it. It's a perfect office look, cute look for the weekend. It doesn't matter what. Then take a little white bow. I think it was a purple like bow that she had on, but honestly, this is what I'm working with. And you want to tease your hair crown area because she kind of had a little bump going on. But yeah, I think I did a good job, guys. I'm really proud of myself. I think I captured the Alexia Wheaton look from Wish Upon a Star. And with the makeup, yeah, so let me show you the fit. She is wearing like a plaid shirt, purple and white, but I could not find that anywhere. And then I found this purple belted skirt on Shein, and it's a little mini skirt. I know a lot of people don't like fast fashion, but I'm sure you could find this at another retailer store. Just wear a purple mini skirt with a white top or a purple checker top, and you got the look down. Thanks for watching.